Hello, I am going to explain random variable. The outcome of many random experiment may be non-numerical. It is inconvenient to deal with this descriptive outcome mathematically. The definition of random variable: a random variable is a function that assigns a real number x of s to every element s is a subset of s, where s is the sample space corresponding to random experiment of E, range space. The set of all the value taken by a random variable x is called its a range space. It is denoted by r suffix s. Thus Rx is equal to x of s. S is a subset of capital S. The example on random variable: when a coin twice, the sample space of s is equal to both are heads, one head, one tail, one tail, one head, both are tail. Let x denote the number of heads. Then x is a random variable with value x is equal to h is equal to x of one head, one tail is equal to 1, x of one tail, one head is equal to 1, x of both are tail is equal to 0. Thus the value of x are 0, 1, 2. The set are 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2. Rx is a finite set. The types of random variables: discrete random variables, continuous random variables. Discrete random variables: a random variable x is a discrete if it assumes only finite number of values or countably infinite number of values. Example: the number of friends who are absent for particular period. Probability mass function denoted by PMF. If x is a discrete random variable which can take the value x1, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3 such that p of x of 1 is equal to p of x of I, then p is called probability function or probability mass function or point probability function. If number p of x of I is equal to 1, 2, 3, satisfy the following condition: p of x of I which is greater than or equal to 0. Second one, summation from I 0 1 to infinity p of xi is equal to 1. Cumulative distributive function denoted by CDF. F of capital X is equal to p of capital X less than or equal to small x is equal to summation from I ranging from 1 to x p of xi. Mean capital E of capital X is equal to summation from I 1 to infinity x of I p of into p of xi. E of capital X square is equal to summation from I range to 1 to infinity x of I square into p of xi. Variance: the difference between capital E square and minus of E of x whole square is the variance. Continuous random variable. A random variable x is continuous if it takes all possible value between certain limits or in interval which may be finite or infinite. Example: the density of milk taken for testing at a farm. Operating time between two failure of a computer. Probability density function PDF. A function f denote or all x of value ranging from minus infinity to infinity plus infinity is called probability density function of continuous random variable of x if I if 1 it f of x is greater than or equal to 0 for all the value minus ranging from minus infinity to infinity. Second one, minus summation from minus infinity to infinity f of x into d of x is equal to 1. Cumulative distributive function CDF. Capital F of x is equal to p of capital X less than or equal to small x is equal to integration from minus infinity to x f of x into d of x. The mean of continuous random variable is equal to E of x is equal to integration from minus infinity to infinity x into f of x into d of x. E of into capital X square is equal to minus integration from minus infinity to infinity x square into f of x dx. The difference between e of x square minus e of x whole square is the variance. Thank you.